Yesterday, members of Jaintia Coal Owner, Miner, Supplier and Worker Association had assembled in DC office compound for conducting a hunger strike. They were denied permission to go ahead with the hunger strike in the DC office compound, as order under 163 BNSS is already in force in the DC compound, which prohibits assembly of people 5 or more. So since morning, we had tried to establish a dialogue with them, and we had convinced them. We tried to convince them that they can continue the protest in any alternate venue, but they refused to go to any other venue. At last, with the presence of the magistrate, we had to ask them to leave the venue, and with the use of police, we had to evacuate the DC office compound.
So at what time that incident happened when the police personnel took him from the DC compound outside the gate?
This was around 7 or 7:30 p.m. in the evening.
So at that moment, is there any escalation between the police personnel and with some of the volunteers or some of their?
No, there were no escalation. From our side, we only tried to push them outside the DC office gate, and later the gates were closed. The magistrate was also present, so everything was peaceful. Police did not use any kind of force.
So what about the law and order as per now?
So far, the law and order situation is normal in the district.